What's the meaning of credit transfer? Credit transfer. Credit transfer.
Credit transfer. Credit transfer. Credit transfer refers to the process of transferring academic credits earned at one institution to another institution. This allows students to continue their studies at a new institution without having to repeat coursework previously completed. The result of credit transfer is that students can save time and money by not having to retake courses they have already completed. Additionally, credit transfer can allow students to pursue educational opportunities not available at their original institution, such as specialized programs or courses in different locations.